Muthenya umwe thutha wa ruhonge rurugamiriri wa iharo cia ndege rwa KIA gwathoroniane maratathi ma bata megemaini na thogore njukirire ya kiharo kia ndege kia JKIA kuri KAMBUNI ya ADANI kuri muthorimi wa mathabu ma thirikari. Umuthi ruhonge rwa KIA ruoneka kwaga gwathikira kamiti ya mbunge igie WUIGITHIIA wa indo cia muingi kuria rwikinyitie rutare na maratathi maya maria marabatarikainie niguo wabici ya muthorimi wa mathabu ma thirikari yambike uthorimi wa igana kwa igana hari NGIRIMITI ino unduria warahurire mang'ure ma memba kamiti ino. Murugamiriri munene wa ihinda wa KIA OGOYE ekora kirimo gutariria gitumi kia ruhonge ruru kung'atheria ritana ria ambunge muikiriri giti wa kamiti ino David Kosing akigweta undu uyu ta kionereria kiati hari kiihu kiubekeirwo wa Kenya aria ni wene kiharo kiria kirathogoranwo.
The house with authority to do something for the people of Kenya is National Assembly, and it is this committee, and we will not abdicate our responsibility. We will do it, and we will teach some people a lesson. I will tell you this, my brother. I am not warning you, but I'm just only giving you a very good advice.
The special audit we want to do for the Adani issue is just to clear the air and possibly to give it a lifeline. Because people are now talking from the information that's been gotten by the whistleblower. But now we need to give out facts. Therefore, you should feel that the Auditor General is there to assist you and to help you to clear the air with facts.
Kurigana na Kosing wendia wa indo cia muingi ni undu ubatie gwikwo na ugerereki munene ugithingatithia uma na uigerereki. Riu akiuga Kenya mari maitho kuona uria kamiti ino iguthorima uria NGIRIMITI ino ikoretwo igitwarithio.
By end of business today, yes, the documents which the committee has spoken to, they will, the Auditor General will be requesting for other documents. That's true. But the ones that I have given direction, I know they are bulky. I don't want the Auditor General tomorrow to say, we were delayed from getting the documents. Okay. Because those are the documents which I want to use again. That's like the marking scheme.
You should understand that mostly the end result maybe is the public. But the most important thing for the government and the auditors and what we audit is the process. And that's why most people find they have done a very good project, they have delivered, but you find them in jail.
Amwe ya ambunge morota OGOYE kumana na kuremererwo ni kuheana utheri wa undu uyu riu makiuga kuri maundu marahithirirwo thogore-ini no.
He's been at KAA, which is a parastatal, a government entity, earning government money or Wanjiko's money for 19 years or so, and he does not understand or appreciate a body called Parliament, and when Parliament issues instructions, what that means. Chair, are we actually dealing with the right person?
I want to assure the employees of KIA that they are Kenyans. As honorable member said yesterday, JKIA is Kenya, and Kenya is JKIA. So we want to assure the staff that Parliament is there for you. You know, this is house of the people.
Ona kuri ugwa ambunge ni mehetete kwaga gutiganiria uthuthuria wao hari kumatha uma riu makiendekithia thogore ino ikinyanirio thutha wa kwamba kwaraniria na muingi na kugia na mawoni maguo undu mwe na gukinyanirio kwa uthurimi wa kinyi ni wabici ya muthurimi wa thirikari.
From my team, you should expect any cards which are being played under the table. We will put everything bare.
Muthio rugamiriri wa KIA ni uruturorirwo gikaro-ini giki ugiathwo kuneana maratathi mothe ma NGIRIMITI ino gukinyiria muthia wa muthenya wa umuthi kuri muthorimi wa mathabu ma thirikari. Harina Kameme TV, Retorako ni Bataru wa Mwangi.